Now we'll help you prepare for court. Page 8 includes steps you can take to prepare, such as finding out if you can appear virtually, planning for the day, and receiving ADA disability accommodations and/or an interpreter. On page 9, you will find a map of the 4 civil courts in the St. Louis region, along with their addresses and phone numbers. The next page provides a list of helpful documents to bring to your trial, such as court papers, your lease, and rent payments. The dashes around the page border indicate where you can cut out these pages to keep the addresses, phone numbers, and recommended documents on hand. This next section on pages 12 and 13 includes step-by-step illustrations of what happens once you get to the courtroom. These pages help to familiarize you with the process and the language that the court officials will use so that you feel confident going into the trial. For example, the list of every case scheduled that day is called a docket, and the phrase second call implies that there is an attorney working with your landlord. This section on pages 14 through 17 explains what happens if you talk with your landlord or their attorney before the trial. We go over the role of a mediator, the different options for a settlement agreement, and questions you should ask yourself before you begin negotiating. On pages 18 and 19, we go through some tips on how to speak with the judge, which you have a right to whether or not you speak with your landlord. We explain the process of discovery, where you can ask the judge to make your landlord or their attorney share documents with you. This concludes part 2 of our video walkthrough. We encourage you to share this video as a resource and engage with our other #ProSaySTL content. Stay tuned for part 3.